Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our Shumatt's live streaming. I'm Caitlin from Shumatt, China. Our company specializes in commercial diesel parts, and today I would like to show you one of our hard-selling valve assembly. Let's take a look. And firstly, let's see the outside packages. It's the blue VCINT roast bag, right? And here this is the label. The first line is our Shumatt's brand, and the product code is F00VC01347. Actually, for this kind of logo, the label, packages, etc., all we can support customized service. And now let's open it. Transparent bottles can be better avoid some damages during the transportation, and inside one layer of oil paper to wrap it up. Each product we supply with 6 months warranty time. In this period, any of our customers, if you are not satisfied with the quality, return or exchange, all is okay, so you have the quality guaranteed. And for this valve assembly, this one applicable for V4 injector number is 0445110 etc. And this one applicable for vehicle car for Ford and Mazdas. Okay, so much for today's product introductions. Thank you for watching. Let's see you next time. Have a good day. Bye.